Imagine you plugged your phone into charge, but after an hour, when you return, you realize you forgot to turn on the switch. How would you feel? You'd be furious, and that anger would be directed at yourself. A similar thing happens to you frequently. You eat throughout the day, gather energy, your body produces semen, but then at night, you release all that energy through a single act of masturbation. Charging your phone fully takes at least 1 to 2 hours, but if you keep wasting your body's energy like this day after day, it will take years to recover, if it ever does, because you become so addicted to the habit of using your hand that eventually you can't even stop. Many young people today are in this very condition, unable to quit no matter what they try. During youth, i.e., between the ages of 13 and 35, the hormonal energy in your body is at its peak. No matter how hard you work, stay up late, or lose semen through masturbation, your body recovers quickly. So every teen and young man thinks, "I'll always be like this. Nothing will happen to me." As a result, they ignore studies, stop doing the right things, and instead of trying to become successful, they waste their time and energy on obscene acts, dirty thoughts, and constant masturbation. They believe everything will fix itself, but that never happens. By watching pornography and masturbating repeatedly, when one crosses their youth, they're left without the energy to work hard. They lose the ability to make good decisions in life and can't even satisfy their partner. Why? Because they spent years pumping out their energy, and as they age, their body no longer produces semen like before. They don't find the same pleasure with their partner as they did in masturbation. During adolescence and early adulthood, your body produces semen rapidly, but after youth, your body's cell count begins to drop, and so does your semen production capacity. Hormonal imbalances begin to appear, and the golden time of your life that you're wasting now, can you ever get it back? If you can bring back even a single second that has already passed, then go ahead and waste your time as you wish. But if you understand that life happens only once, that missed opportunities never return, and that you won't remain young forever, then why are you wasting your valuable time on such filthy habits? All the successful people you see in the world today used the full power of their youth toward their work, goals, and dreams. That's why they are successful. They had the same body as you. They too may have engaged in masturbation at some point, but they understood the power of semen. They chose not to waste it and instead used that energy to build a meaningful life. But you're not able to do that because you're stuck in years of bad habits, and breaking a long-standing habit doesn't happen in a day. Yet many of our friends, after watching our videos, have significantly reduced their masturbation habits, and they succeeded because they tried. I'm not saying you have to quit entirely starting today, but start increasing the gap. 2 days, 4 days, 8 days, 10 days. Keep increasing the number. Motivate yourself in different ways. Set a big goal in life, one so grand that these dirty habits feel tiny in comparison. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, "If you want to shine like the sun, first you have to burn like the sun." Successful people have made countless sacrifices. Some left their homes, some slept on the streets, others worked in hotels, gave tuition, did delivery jobs, saved money, and fulfilled their dreams. And you're saying you can't even quit this small hand habit? Of course you can. From now on, whenever you come across obscene pictures or videos, tell yourself, these are my enemies, the only enemies of my life, the only obstacles to my goals. Because it is through watching these things that you've wasted your powerful, precious semen. So, never watch them again. No matter how beautiful wild animals look from afar, in reality, they are deadly. If you go near them, they will not spare you. In the same way, no matter how enjoyable porn and masturbation may seem, in reality, they do nothing but harm you. So keep these words in mind and start practicing brahmacharya, celibacy, from today. And those who have already started, write in the comments how many days it has been. We'll see you very soon in the next video. Thank you.